Hello and welcome. This is register number URK17CS183, and today I'll be demonstrating our lab experiment number 5, which is basic JavaScript coding and basic of HTML. So let's directly look into our file and see our coding. So this is like basically HTML normal content. We'll directly go to Java because Java is main focus experiment over here this time. So as you can see here in the first question, it is given to us is like write a function that accepts a string as a parameter and find the number of words within the string. So we have taken input of everything, as you can see, and we have given and a specific ID to each thing, and later we'll use this ID for calculating the different things that we have known. So let's see. Okay, so we have here a function named count words. So let's go to our function named count words. So for checking that, we'll directly go to our JavaScript file, and as you can see here we have a function named count words, and in count words we are taking the value to our object s to dot values document dot get element, where we have to pass the id here and we can retrieve the value. Then we are providing it and checking it, and we are here splitting it, and after that we are giving word count, checking the word length and giving it to this id. And then after checking this thing, we are basically calculating the length, and then we are printing the length, and then after finding the length, we are also finding here the length of the shortest word. So here it's explicitly asked us to find the shortest word which exists there. So from this function we are find this particular loop, we are finding which is the shortest word. Then we have another function named cal. So here this calculator, what it's doing basically is calculating the grade on the basis of simple if-else statements, and we have given here a different if-else statements, as you can see here, and each if-else have some result, and we are assigning that grade, and then we are providing inner HTML, which is basically nothing but our inner HTML element tags, which are going to use this ID to give the output as we desire as grade. Then we have one more function convert. This is a very simple function. We are using here pass float so that this value can be given output as float as well, because if we don't give it as pass float, then it might not be able to give the accurate value, as well as it might show error. So because here we are multiplying it with float values, and again simply we are again multiplying it, like giving it to inner HTML to get the output. Then again we have a calculate order. So here what we are doing is we are taking the elements like as we are giving amount. So small, medium, large is the basically the number of amount, and each amount have some amount of tax and some amount of charges. So with that we are going to include it and add a tip to it, and again then print it. And then we have a last function named pattern. So basically it does is there is the array that we have created here using this square brackets, and we are passing that array into in this for loop, and we are going to pass that using a random function which is going to generate a random index location in of this array, and then we are going to just print that particular thing. Here we are assigning that those attributes, like it's a basic style attributes to 300 and 200 pixel, and that thing is going to change the size of the image. So let's see how this complete code works. So here I am typing the experiment. Let's see. So you can see here there are 5 letters number of words. Each word have different length, and then longest word is optional and shortest word is s. So as you can see here we have successfully completed this part. Now let's calculate the grade. It's s. Now I'm gonna convert the data value from pounds to kilograms. So as you can see here it's showing in pounds to kilograms. Now number of pizzas, we can see here, and now I'm going to calculate it, and the cost of order is 1760. Now I'm going to give number of rows, and now I'm entering the value. As you can see here, we haven't added the pictures here yet, but then it's generating a picture of 4:4. So we have successfully completed our experiment number 5. Thank you so much for watching.